Assalamualaikum guys, ketemu lagi bersama saya di Baron Channel. Di video kali ini saya akan mereaksi sebuah video dari US Military Power yang berjudul MH6 Little Bird, The Killer Egg. Nah, jenis helikopter apakah ini dan secanggih apa helikopternya buatan Amerika? Yuk kita saksikan videonya. Jangan lupa di like dan subscribe channel saya dan channelnya US Military Power. Oke guys, kita saksikan dari US Military Power. The Killer Egg.
MH6 Little Bird, the killer egg that you never know.
Telur pembunuh guys.
Boeing MH6M Little Bird, or known as the Killer Egg, and its attack variant, the AH-6, are light helicopters deployed by the United States Army for special operations. Originally based on a modified OH-6A, it was later based on the MD-500E with a single 5-bladed main rotor.
Oh,
The
ada
newest
versi
version of the
sipil dan ada versi
MH6M is based on
militernya
the
guys.
MD-530F, which features a single 6-bladed main rotor and 4-bladed tail rotor. The AH-6 Little Bird has been supporting U.S. commandos across the world for more than 40 years. This Little Bird was initially designed by the Army to serve as a light reconnaissance aircraft for its armored divisions. But fate had other plans for the rotorcraft. The development of the OH-6 began in 1960, when the U.S. Army released Technical Specification
helikopter ini
153
untuk,
for a light observation
helikopter
helicopter
serang anti
capable of
gerilya,
people
guys.
transport, escort, and assault operations, casualty evacuation, and observation. The first Model 369 prototype flew on February 27, 1963. The United States Army 160th Special Operations Aviation Regiment, Airborne, also known as Night Stalkers, is a special operations force that provides helicopter aviation support for general purpose forces and special operations forces. Its missions have included attack, assault, and reconnaissance, and are usually conducted at night, at high speeds, low altitudes, and on short notice. There are also many other operations
Keren, guys.
completed by this little bird. It went into Iran to save the 66 American hostages that were being held by the
Kalau nggak
Iranian
salah, Indonesia juga
revolutionaries
punya,
in
guys.
Tehran. Operation Eagle Claw, as it was known, ended up being a failure, but it prompted the creation of an official special operations structure and several new units. This helicopter is flown by a crew of 2 and has a payload capacity of up to 6 passengers for the MH6, or about 1,509 pounds. Performance specifications from the single engine of this little bird allow the top speed of 175 miles per hour with a cruise speed of 155 miles per hour. Its range is listed at 267 miles with a surface ceiling of 18,700 feet and a rate of climb equaling 2,061 feet per minute. Internal fuel is reported at 62 U.S. gallons. Operating weight is 1,509 pounds with a maximum takeoff weight of 3,100 pounds. When completely
Keren.
clean, the little bird
Mantap,
weighs
guys.
in at a respectable 1,591 pounds. Its size and weight make it a relatively easy transportable system when moved via the existing American aircraft transports on hand. The AH-6 Little Bird can carry a limitation number of weapons, including the 30mm M230 chain gun, 50 cal
persenjataannya juga keren, guys.
GAU-19 Gatling gun, 7.62mm
Gatling gun.
M134 minigun, LAU-68DA rocker pods for Hydra 70 rockets,
Rocket Hydra.
AGM-114 Hellfire missiles, and even
Hellfire
FIM-92 Stinger air-to-air missiles. The
Missile
AH-6
Stinger
Little Bird
juga
gun,
ada.
a light
Keren
attack
ya.
helicopter, has been tested and proven in combat. The ability to swap around weapon systems depending on the mission makes the AH-6 Little Bird a flexible aircraft that can meet a multitude of threats. The AH-6 Little Bird is very greatly to maneuver. It has a maximum cruising speed of 126 knots and a maximum range of 205 miles, or about 2 hours of straight flight. The aircraft has a ceiling of 20,000 feet, but is at its best when flying close to the ground. The MH-6 Little Bird made its way into popular culture with the book and movie Black Hawk Down, which portrayed MH-6 Little Birds carrying Delta Force soldiers into the overrun city of Mogadishu. The Little Birds, along with MH-60 Blackhawks from the 160th SOAR, held off attackers and supported Rangers and Delta operators.
Nah, itu dia guys, videonya udah kita saksikan bersama, dan ternyata helikopternya itu jenisnya kecil ya. Makanya dibilang the little bird atau burung yang kecil. Tapi jenis MH6 ini selain Amerika punya, Indonesia pun kalau tidak salah memilikinya. Malaysia pun sama, membelinya pula dari Amerika ya, the little bird ini. Dan helikopter ini ada dua versi, untuk sipil dan militer. Dan untuk militer juga helikopter ini bisa dipersenjatai, yaitu bisa menggunakan cantolan senjata ya, dari mulai Gatling gun atau minigun, juga ada rudal Hellfire, rudal Stinger, juga ada roket Hydra, dan bisa membawa bermacam-macam senjata lah yang bisa dibawa oleh helikopter jenis ini untuk versi militernya ya. Dan di Indonesia pun sama, membelinya untuk versi militer juga ada ya. Dan helikopter ini biasanya digunakan untuk counter insurgency atau penanganan perang gerilya. Karena kalau untuk melawan serangan udara ke udara atau perang dengan pesawat tempur atau dengan helikopter serang lainnya, mungkin nggak akan terjadi karena helikopter ini kecepatannya juga sama, membawa persenjatanya juga sedikit ya, karena bukan untuk helikopter serang udara tapi hanya untuk membantu serangan darat ya, untuk membantu penyerangan di darat. Nah, itu dia guys beritanya, semoga bermanfaat. Jika bermanfaat, mohon di like and subscribe channel saya dan channelnya US Military Power.